Setting up a weekly work routine for freelancers can be the key to staying productive and avoiding burnout. It's essential to have a structured plan that allows flexibility, but also helps you stay on track. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to set up a weekly routine that works for you, and I'll even introduce some software to help streamline the process. Stick around till the end because I've got a special offer just for you. First off, start by defining your most important tasks for the week. Sit down and plan your priorities. What do you absolutely need to get done? Focus on a few high-impact tasks and schedule them for the days when you're feeling most energized. For example, Monday mornings might be ideal for tackling something challenging or creative, while afternoons are better for meetings or admin work. Once you've identified your top tasks, break them down into smaller, manageable steps. This will prevent you from feeling overwhelmed and help you stay on top of deadlines. Use a project management tool or planner to organize each task and keep track of your progress. The software we'll be using can help you set deadlines, assign subtasks, and track milestones to make sure you're on the right path. Next, create time blocks for each task or group of tasks. This is where the magic happens. Time blocking is a powerful technique that helps you focus deeply without distractions. For example, allocate specific blocks for client work, brainstorming, content creation, or social media management. Avoid multitasking during these blocks. If you're focused on one task, don't switch between tasks every few minutes. Trust me, this will increase your productivity. Don't forget to include time for breaks. It's easy to burn out when you don't take care of your mind and body. Schedule in regular breaks during your work blocks. This could be a 10-minute walk or a short meditation session. These breaks will help refresh your brain and keep you sharp throughout the day. Review and adjust your routine every week. At the end of each week, evaluate what worked and what didn't. Did you stick to your time blocks? Were your priorities clear? Use this feedback to tweak your schedule for the next week. Throughout all of this, consistency is key. Try sticking to your routine for at least a month. It may take time to adjust, but as a freelancer, consistency will help you stay on top of your game, meet deadlines, and avoid last-minute stress. By the way, I've tried some of the most popular tools for freelancers, and I found one that's really stood out for helping me stay on track with my weekly routine. It's our software, and I highly recommend it to help you organize your tasks and time blocks. In fact, I've got an exclusive free trial link for you in the description below, just for viewers of my channel. Now, let's wrap up with a key takeaway. Set up your weekly routine by defining your priorities, breaking tasks into manageable chunks, time blocking, and ensuring you take breaks. Consistency is your best friend. Make sure you review and adjust each week to keep improving your routine. Before you go, don't forget to check out the exclusive free trial link in the description below. It's a great tool to help you stick to your weekly work routine and maximize your productivity as a freelancer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.